Good morning, everybody. How are you all? This is Dr. Nandi. Today we are going to talk about matrix operations. So I'll share my computer screen with you. We have been given two 3x3 matrices, A and B. 3x3 means 3 rows and 3 columns in each. So we have to find A plus B whole square and A square minus B square. So the first thing we will do is A plus B whole square. The solution. We are working on A plus B whole square. So first thing is enter matrix A in TI-84. Okay, how do I do that? So first press the second button, I'm sorry, then X minus 1 button. So second button and X minus 1 button is in the first column. Then go highlight, edit in the first row, edit in the top row. So bring the cursor and edit, then number 1. Okay. So which puts you on matrix A. Okay. So you see on the top of your screen matrix A, and you are going to type in the first number 3 by 3. The first number is rows, 3 rows, and the second number is 3 columns. So you type in the first square over here, type 3 and hit enter. Next one also type 3 and hit enter. And enter. Okay. And then you are going to type in the values in the matrix, say 1, 0, 2 in the first line. So type in 1, enter 0, enter 2 in the first row. Then 2, enter 1, enter 0. Next is, so 2, then 1, then 0. Okay. And then in the next row, 0, 1, and 3. Okay. So 0, 1, and 3. You're done with matrix A. Now you have to do it for matrix B. The best thing is to shut up the computer, shut up your TI-84 before doing that. So second and off. I usually do it this way. Some people do it the other way. Doesn't matter. So let me create some space for myself. Okay. So I will enter data for matrix B. Okay. So let me go back to this. Okay. So matrix B also I enter data. So matrix B, same way. I do second after I put the calculator on, X minus 1 button after that. Next is edit and go to number 2 because you want to edit matrix B. So on second X minus 1, second X minus 1, then edit, then number 2. Okay, so make it a matrix B as a 2 by 2 matrix, also 3 by 3, sorry. Matrix B, a 3 by 3. 3 times 3. Remember, the first number is rows, second number is column, and enter. So 3, enter 3, and then you're in the first row. So enter the data there. So what are you going to enter for matrix B? And it will be 3 minus 1 and 2 for the first row. So 3, enter, minus 1, and then 2. Okay. Next line, 0, enter, 2, enter, 1. Next, 1, enter, 4, enter, minus 1. Okay. So the next line is 0, 0, 2, and 1. And the next line, row, is 1, 4, minus 1. And enter. Okay. So now you have entered A and B, matrix B. You want to do the addition. Okay. So let me create some space. Okay. So put the calculator off and then put it on and back again. Okay. Okay. Now you're going to press the second X minus 1 key. Okay. And so the next step, after entering A and B, after entering A and B, okay, press the math button again. Sorry, second button again, then X minus 1 button. Okay, and now you're going to press number 1. When you do that in your calculator screen, you are getting, I'm writing it here as A. Okay. Now, after A, type in the plus sign. So matrix A plus. Okay. Now again, you press second X inverse X minus 1. And then number 2 this time. So second X inverse, then number 2. Now on your calculator screen, you'll get matrix A plus matrix B. And then you hit enter. Enter. After this, you enter. And the answer is 4 minus 1. 4, this is a new matrix. 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 2. So this is the A plus matrix B. But we need to square this, right? That's the first part. Find A plus B square. Okay. So how are we going to do that? Okay. So let me again create some space. Okay. Now we go to again next step. Next step. After getting A plus B. Okay. So next step is Second button, then x minus 1 button, then number 3, okay, and sorry, this will not work, so I have to take care of this. So we did this second x minus 1, then you highlight, move your cursor to edit on the top row, and then type number 3, or select number 3. And you get on your calculator screen, matrix C. Okay, again make it a 3 by 3, 3 rows by 3. Okay, 3, enter, 3, 3 by 3. Okay, here you're going to enter the sum of a plus b. So you're going to enter in the first row 4 minus 1 and 4. So 4, enter, minus is next to enter, and enter 4. 4 minus 1, 4 in the first row. Next row is 2, 3, 1. The next row is 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. And the last row is 1, 5, 2. Okay. So last row is 1, 5, and 2. So basically you made matrix C is equal to A plus B. Okay. So once you have entered that, then what you got to do? Okay, put it calculator off. Okay. Okay, next step after this. Okay. Put the calculator on. Okay. And then press the second button. Then x minus 1 button. Second button, x minus 1 button. And you're going to go highlight. Not really. Second math button. And then scroll down to number 3. So scroll down to second x minus, scroll down to number 3 and hit enter. When you do that, you will see on your calculator screen C. Then press the multiplication sign. This is the multiplication button, right? C multiplied by, okay. Then again, we need to bring in C over here. How do I do that? Same operation. So again, do the same thing. For the second x minus 1, then scroll down to number 3 and enter. Okay, so second x minus 1, scroll down to number 3 and enter. That will give you C times C on your calculator screen. And then you hit enter. Okay. And your result is displayed as, so C times C. So C multiplied by matrix C multiplied by matrix C is same as matrix A plus B square. And the answer is 18, 13, 23, 15, 12, and 13, and then 16, 24, and 13. So this is the answer you're looking for A plus B whole square. This is the answer. Okay. So what are the steps? We first entered matrix A 3 by 3, then entered matrix B 3 by 3. Okay. Then we found out by matrix operation A plus B, and then we entered that information as matrix C. Then in the next step, we want to multiply matrix C times matrix C, which we did by second x minus 1. We get C times C, which is basically A plus B times A plus B, or A plus B square. And the answer is we obtain as shown. Okay. Let me now create some more space, and we want to do we are supposed to do A square minus B square. A square is equal to matrix A times matrix A. So let's calculate that first in our calculator. So this is the next problem. Okay. So first step is second x minus 1 minus 1, and then number 1, which will give you matrix A in your calculator screen. Then you multiply that, put the multiplication sign or press the multiplication key. And again, you want to put A over here. Okay. So what is for that you need to do second x minus 1, then number 1. And that will give you A times A. So the first thing is second x minus 1, number 1 gives you matrix A, then multiplied by, again second x minus 1, number 1 is matrix A, and hit enter. So here you get the product of A times A, or A square, which is 1, 1, 2, and 8, and 4, 1, 4, and 2, 4, 4, 1, 4, and 2, 4, and 9. Enter that as matrix D in the calculator. Okay, so this is your answer for A square. Okay, so we will enter D as this matrix. Okay, so how do I do that? Okay, so second x minus 1, then we go to edit on the top row. Okay, so second x minus 1, go to edit, then select number 4. Okay, which is matrix D. So matrix D is, make it a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows by 3 columns, and enter the information. So matrix D is 1, 2, 8. Okay, then 4, 1, and then 4. And last was 2, 4, and 9. Okay, so we got matrix D is basically, this is same as A square. Okay, now we have to do B square. Okay, So B square is equal to matrix B times matrix B. So we do second x minus 1, x minus 1, and then we go to number 2. And that will give me matrix B. And we do multiplication by, and then again repeat the process. Second x minus 1. This is second time to get the second matrix. Okay. Number 2. And this will put matrix B over here, and we will hit enter. Okay. So second x minus 1, number 2 puts matrix B there, multiplied by, again second x minus 1, number 2 puts matrix B there, and I hit enter. Okay. And let's create some more space. So, oops. What is that? Okay. Okay. So we want to get the results for B times B. Okay. And that is we got the result of that as, let's call it matrix E, and that is equal to 11, 3, 3, and then 1, 11, 3, 11, 3, 3, right? And then 1, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 7. And we will call this as B square, right? Matrix B square. Okay. So we have to enter the information in the calculator, make matrix, see this matrix. So again, second, okay, so second button, then x minus 1 button. Then we will, second button, x minus 1 button, then scroll down to number 5. Number 5, which is matrix C. Make it a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 rows by 3 column matrix. Okay. Actually, this will not do. So let me erase this. I have to edit it. Second x minus 1, then I should highlight. After that, we will go down to edit. Edit. And then we will go down to number 5. Yes. Second x minus 1, edit, then number 5. Make it a 3 by 3 matrix. Enter. Enter the information is 11, 3, 3, 1, 8, 1. Okay, that's done. So that we made matrix C. Put the information components of matrix C in the matrix C through edit number 5, and then we have to do Remember, our final goal is to do a square minus b square. So in this case, it is equal to matrix D minus matrix C. Okay, so let's create some more space. Okay. So what will we do in our calculator? We will do second x minus 1, second x minus 1, and we want D minus C. So first is number 4. So then number 4, okay, which will give us in our calculator screen D. Okay, then repeat this process again. Second x minus 1 and number 5. But before that, we want to put a minus sign over here. So D, then minus, press the minus key. Okay, and then second x minus 1, then number 5. Now in your calculator screen, you will get D minus C. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, and now you're getting a square minus b square. Minus b square is equal to minus 10 minus 1, 5, and 3 minus 7, 3, and then 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so this is your final answer for a square minus b square, matrix a square minus matrix b square. Okay, so I'll stop here today. If you have any question, comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please share this video with your friend. If you like this video, you and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'll see you next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Take care. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.